Happy day 32, and our training at work has just finished, and I did what they call this pass. I passed the assessment, although I failed three of the five tests that I've done, but I passed the overall assessment, and that's pretty good news for me. And aside from that, we only do celebrations, not all the time but majority of the time, to celebrate our graduation, as it is called. And that's all that I can say. And aside from that, I got a new slippers because there's a super typhoon in my area, so it will landfall tomorrow. So I'm expecting to get wet, so I get these rubber shoes. So it's a rubber, made of rubber, not the, what do you call this, rubber shoes. It's a rubber type shoes, and it fits me, and I'm comfortable if I get wet because it wouldn't be smelly on my feet. And yeah, that's it. And aside from that, I bought a loaf. It's $1, and this is $3. So yes, it's not pricey, but you know I like it. I can get a Crocs design shape for $2, but I get this one because it's a close, and I think the guard will let me pass through security checkpoint at my work if I use this one. And aside from that, I've been doing my diary first because my phone is low battery, and right now it's on 41%, luckily, because I've been using a hypercharging, so it's charged up pretty fast. And I will do a Japanese or kanji writing for my diary as well. I've been using ChatGPT to document or to translate it and document it on my diary, so I'm pretty much used to writing Kyowa, which means today is, and that's because that's the start of my entry almost every time. And congratulations again to me, and